Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall. Wow, my people. Dancehall Skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, now in the first video that I'm going to present to you, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he swam from Jamaica to Haiti and from Haiti to Jamaica when he was younger. The man also said other things as well in the video, in the viewers and subscribers, and I would like you to listen carefully to the things that the man said in this video and tell me if you believe or if you do not believe the things that the man said in this video. See? You can also hear someone talking in the background of the video as well, viewers and subscribers. And I'm going to tell you what I think as well. See? Now, before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that you can see body fluid that came from the man's eyes and mouth. So viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
You hear that man I say? Tell the people about one.
When I was much younger, I swim across to Haiti.
You swim you alone swim go Haiti? How you do that? Yeah, listen, man.
And me alone swim go across to Haiti. And when I come across back, we shoot a fish with over 2,000.
So you swim go across and swim come back?
Listen now.
No, more no. Me ask you, hold on, this answer the question. You swim go across Haiti and swim come across back?
Yeah.
And shoot that?
And when I was coming across, this is big boy. You want to come swim beside me.
TikTok, more want to hear that man say no.
Me not make no fish swim beside me. He must swim.
So the fish, say fish talk to you?
No.
How you talk to him, Chan? Who talk to
you?
You
shoot the fish.
You shoot the fish?
Yeah, and then there.
It's a boy fish you shoot you?
No, man, fish can't shoot.
So you say you shoot the fish and the fish dead?
A fish will more attack you and try to disarm you.
So the fish are never shark?
It's a big enough fish.
Big like a shark?
The fish, right? Okay.
So where you say go on now?
I'm going to shoot the fish and climb over. Then I'm going to call my son at my house. And the man in front of him from Jamaica. And I put him down.
That's how you reach back to Jamaica?
Out here.
What may I say? So on the way coming, you shoot the fish and carry back the fish?
I'm carrying the fish.
Look,
and when them come, them cut the fish, scale him.
So what kind of fish?
A Dr. Mother fish.
Dr. Mother fish?
The fish was very lovely.
You're brave, man. I first me ever hear a man saying swim go Haiti and swim come back. Yo, nah, man, this. Yes, man. You're a hero, man.
Well, you see, I was small. You know, you swim go anywhere.
Yeah, you swim go anywhere.
Anywhere. If I want to go America, I swim go America.
What that man hold on, man? What that man really has to me, man? Say, expect me to believe that you can swim to America?
My people hear the things I'm going to say? Yeah? Do you believe the things that he said? My people, let me tell you something. Before I say certain things, you see, you have marathon swimmers. Yes, you have people who swim some good distance. Swim distance when me can't even imagine of doing. May I tell you the truth? Because I know some don't fit them the way they. See me, yeah, and I think I read some time ago about a person who hold a world record for swimming a certain amount of distance. And so me I say, so you have marathon swimmers. Alright? But anyways, my people, the point is that from Jamaica to Haiti is over 100 miles in my people. And a joke distance. Much as you swim from Jamaica to Haiti and then from Haiti back to Jamaica. Think about all of those predators in the ocean, all of them fish and certain things are dangerous. So me I say, that I one other thing when me I think about me I say, but that's not a joking thing. See? And to swim from Jamaica to Haiti, how long that would take you? Would that take you a whole day? Would night catch you? How you know your direction where you go? All kind of things me I think me people when me I really and truly listen to the things that the person said. See? Cause that's another thing. How you know which direction you go? You know how that dangerous, my people? Eh? Now, my people, I'm not going to say that the man a tell lie no. But at the same time, me not accept the things that the man said. Me need some form of proof. Me I tell you the truth, my people. See? So, me don't like to tell me what you think. Tell me if you believe or if you don't believe, my people. See? Tell me if you believe or if you do not believe. You know, each to them own opinion, viewers and subscribers. You ever walk a mile yet? You ever walk a mile or 2 miles yet? Me walk more than 5, maybe near 10 miles one time, you know. That I when me younger. And the next morning, me can feel the soreness in my head. 2 feet in my people. So, imagine swimming such a distance. Eh? Man, my people, me I tell you the truth, me question the things that the man said in that video there. But, you can let me know what you think, alright? Yeah, you can let me know what you think, my people. Tell me if you believe or if you don't believe. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within St. Andrew, Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica was arresting or detaining a man. It is said that police officers confronted the man and used force while arresting or detaining the man. It is said that at least one police officer used pepper spray while arresting or detaining the person. It is also said that the civilian was resisting arrest. One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media, and based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can let me know what you think about the situation. You can tell me if you think those police officers we can see in the video handled the situation properly or not. Now, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. A part of the video shows the civilian face down on the ground while police officers were standing over the civilian trying to put handcuffs on the civilian, viewers and subscribers. The video also shows at least one police officer holding a pepper spray. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's a video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Yeah, no, star. No, this is the police. I'm dead. No, this is the police. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Alright, my people, so when it comes down to that situation, I don't have any confirmed information as to why the man was being arrested or detained by the police. I don't even have any confirmed information as to what happened after this video stopped recording. That's what I'm saying to you. But the things that I'm about to say, some people might agree and some might disagree. You see what I say? And I've said similar things that I'm about to say to you in other videos that I've posted. It's best to comply and then complain. See, yeah, if a police or police officers approach you and they decide say they are going to either arrest or detain you, it's best to comply and then complain. You see what I say? And believe me, there are procedures that can make you get some form of justice if you're being treated wrongfully by police or so forth. So don't go put yourself in any trouble when police officers approach a certain way. See me? If police officers approach you and decide I'm going to arrest or detain you, do not run, do not resist arrest, because you can find yourself in trouble if you're not in trouble. You see what I talk about? Yeah, that's the next thing again. And be careful of fake police officers out there now, because I get quite a number of informations about criminals dressed, looking like police officers out there. Not only out there in the world, but me get information about that in the country of Jamaica before. See? So that's another thing again. It's like, I tell you, it's rough. You see me I say? That's another thing again. But anyways, you know, it's best to comply and then complain, and be careful at the same time, because you have criminals that do some things where just not right. You see me? Alright, my people, I have some left it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see?